back to another channel. Today we are gonna draw a fierce cat. So without further ado, let's get into this. But first, subscribe to my channel and hit the like button, and yeah. So let's just get into this. So first we're gonna draw the head of the fierce cat. Oh yeah, we're doing a fierce dog. So there's a fierce dog. I forgot. Oh yeah, we're gonna draw a different kind of animal. So we're gonna draw any animal that we can draw. So let's go.
So since we have this looking bad, let's make the tail.
So we'll go.
That's me. Okay.
There.
Now that we have this on the living room, whatever it is, now let's connect them like this. And let's put this like the claws. You can make it on wood if you want. I'm gonna make mine wood.
Okay, the mouth doesn't look so circle, so let's make it a little bit circle. I mean, shape. There you go.
Okay, so now let's draw the wings. How would it fly with the wings? A bird has to have wings.
Okay.
Now, we're gonna want to draw a
Okay.
person.
So I don't know how to draw an animal. So let's just draw a normal face of an animal.
Now you can imagine probably make it connect with another curve like the same curve like this. Ta-da! So this is my bird. You can draw whatever bird you want, and I'm just gonna make
There. Go.
some feathers in my
So I'm drawing a bear.
neck. Raise up.
I tried to draw a bear mouth, but the bear mouth I cannot draw with Sharpie.
You need help?
Yeah. So,
You need help?
no.
You need help.
So
So now let's draw
There.
the feathers.
see, look at the look at the head.
Draw it, follow me. But if
Better
don't follow me.
than the fangs. Yeah. Right. Yeah. 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 Oh, that was just crazy. So he is kind of like injured. So he's injured. So there goes the scratch. So they have located bodies.
Close behind this. My mom's doing the lot. My grandpa's coming in with some fish.
So we have starfish. So he's
Papa!
coming here to get.
Papa! Papa! Say hi.
Hi. Hello.
So whatever.
Oh, that's so cute.
Okay, let's just get into my drawing.
Now it's drawing.
Focus.
Might feel a little bit.
So hard to draw the body.
No, sorry.
There.
I'm not going to show you how to draw this because maybe it be a lot of that time or not. Just tell me and I will show you how it looks. You can draw from it. Just try to draw it real enough because I might understand it really quick. So.
There you go, guys. So there's our bear. Well, we have another thing to do with this bear. So we're gonna add some detail on it. We're gonna put a tree and a beehive. So it's hard to make a beehive and a tree and a bee. So we're gonna try. So let's not draw these curved things. So we're gonna erase the tree and put back the tree. Okay. And now the circle and
That's my birds.
our birds are so crazy. They're like going crazy at my rock. I thought my rock was clean. I cleaned it a second ago. Why is it not clean anymore? Well, let's just continue.
Here's what I do. Maybe I have increased my dance skills a little.
So we have a dog inside, which is kind of annoying me.
Please tell me if you
So
like it.
they're trying to eat our fishes, so we don't want them to touch.
So, what should I do next? I can draw a lot of
Go. So we're gonna draw the beehive so hard.
Sorry guys, I have to end this video now. But don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell button to get any notification from me. And also, please comment down below what animal should I draw next in my next how to draw video. Bye guys! Zabby! What did you do? You're gonna pay for it.
I know. Hi guys, I'm messing up my brother's video. Stop. Just stop.
Everybody look at my brother's random video.
Movie time! Oh,
That's so short.
so
And this is my video. It's better than him. I'll show you. Hey guys, it's me, Amber, and today we will be drawing a bird.
hey, I don't want to watch it. So, YouTubers, she is going crazy around this world. So I'm gonna end this video. Make sure you like and subscribe, and sure make you subscribe the eye.
You actually just
My